Hello interwebs. I'm gonna show you how I redid my roommate's closet. We moved into this house and the closet that my roommate had was super inefficient, so I wanted to kind of make it more functional. I took down the shelf that was there and I marked out the line for the new shelf that's gonna run across the whole thing. We had to do this on a budget, so all the materials that I used were kind of repurposed from an old closet. To install the little side supports, I used these anchor screws. I've used them in other projects and they worked out really well, so I just keep using them. They might not be the right thing, but they've been working fine. So I pre-drilled, made sure everything lined up correctly. I cut all the things to size. I sanded and repainted the shelf that I'm gonna install and made sure everything was lining up correctly. I did not want to waste the shelf that I took down, so I just transferred the holes like about 17 inches higher just to take advantage of the space that was above the closet. I spackled the holes just to make sure everything was neat. I also used wood filler to fill in the holes for the ports were in. The paint I purchased did not match 100%, so I just kind of taped off and just paint the support side by itself. I wanted to add like a pop of color, so I decided to give the closet an accent wall. I hung the supports in holes that I pre-drilled prior to painting to make sure everything was still in the right place. And it was all level. I also utilized the same anchor supports that I used for the sides. Yeah, now the time for the final assembly. I put in the new shelf, which everything lined up correctly, which was great, and the bar to hang clothes. My roommate was really happy that now she can have like an actual functional closet. Yeah, I really enjoyed this project. It was actually really rewarding to make something more functional and get better use of it. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.